Oh. I don't know what's listed. I got 2015 Tops. Got Inception. 11 Prime Sigs. 15 Certified. 13 Playbook. 14 Museum. 15 Prestige. 13 Museum. 14 Crown Royal. 13 Triple Threads. 14 Totally Certified. 14 SPX. 14 Prism. 14 SP Authentic. 15 UD Football. 14 Valor. 14 Fire. 13 Prism. 13 Elite. 11 SP Authentic. 13 SP Authentic. And 09 SP Authentic. Alright, here we go. Valor 100. You're welcome, Frank. What's up, Mo? Yeah, that's just football. And that wasn't even everything. Good luck, everyone. Drew Brees, Gridiron Warriors. Trey Waynes, Speed. We do ship all cards. Keep that in mind. I just flip through them. Flip through the base. Terrence McGee, Speed. I flip through the base rather quickly so the break doesn't take 45 minutes. Deion Sanders, Speed. Eric Armstead, the Courage, 131 of 299 for the Niners. Courtney South. Tony Lippett, Speed. Upside down base. Blake Bortles, Glory, 12 of 99 for the Jags. B. Swift. Carlos Williams, Speed. Looks like first hit. Ben Roethlisberger, Speed. And we got Mike Davis. Nice two-color rookie patch. 162 of 289. Another one for the Niners. That is Courtney South. Need to see an auto. Jerry Rice, Gridiron Warriors. Kevin Johnson, Speed. Andre Williams, Discipline, 120 of 199 for the Giants. Taddy HB. AJ Green, Speed. Rob Gronkowski, Battle Cry. Oh, Mason, Speed. The one Patriots card we got. Odell Beckham, Gridiron Warriors. Duke Johnson, Speed. Smith Sr., Speed. Melvin Gordon, Speed. And Javorius Allen, the rookie auto 3-color patch. Look at that patch. It's a nice one. 441 of 800. He even got his number in there. That's a nice patch. Let's go into the Ravens. That is Ty, T-O-B. Oh, yeah, I forgot about Donruss and Gridiron Kings. Sorry, Frank. Alshon Jeffrey, Gridiron Warriors. Artist Payne, Speed. Allen, Speed. Devin Smith, Jumbo. 145 of 300 for the Jets. Reggie, G-I-E. Joique Bell, Strength. Jackson, Speed. Oh, that Gronk. Wilkerson, Speed. Still looking for one more hit. Andrew Luck, Gridiron Warriors. Ajayi, Speed. Odell, Battle Cry. Jackson, Speed. Should have our plain auto yet. David Johnson, Speed. And Duke Johnson, the rookie auto. 407 of 800. That one's for the Browns. Rodex 2011. Last pack. Macklin, Speed, and a couple base. There we go. That'll do it for Valor 100. Yeah, can you imagine having to sign like 1,500 stickers? How old that would get?